A diagnosis of type 2 diabetes can feel overwhelming, but it's important to remember that you're not alone. Millions of people worldwide manage this condition, and a key component of successful management is a healthy diet. This guide delves deep into the world of the type 2 diabetes diet, equipping you with the knowledge and tools to make informed food choices that support your health and well-being. Type 2 diabetes occurs when your body either doesn't produce enough insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar, or becomes resistant to its effects. This leads to high blood sugar levels, which can cause a variety of health problems if left unchecked. Diet plays a crucial role in managing type 2 diabetes. By making smart food choices, you can control blood sugar levels. Healthy eating helps keep your blood sugar within a healthy range, reducing the risk of complications associated with diabetes. Improve overall health. A balanced diet rich in nutrients and fiber promotes overall health, reducing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other chronic conditions. Promote weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight can significantly improve blood sugar control and diabetes management. Boost energy levels. Eating nutritious foods provides your body with the fuel it needs to function optimally, keeping you energized throughout the day. There isn't a one-size-fits-all type 2 diabetes diet. However, some core principles provide a solid foundation for healthy eating. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Prioritize whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean protein sources, and healthy fats. These foods are packed with essential nutrients and fiber, which help regulate blood sugar levels. Limit added sugars. Sugary drinks, processed snacks, and desserts can cause blood sugar spikes. Limit your intake of added sugars and choose naturally sweet fruits instead. Choose healthy fats. Not all fats are created equal. Opt for healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats promote satiety and offer other health benefits. Control portion sizes. Even healthy foods can impact blood sugar if consumed in excess. Learn about proper portion sizes and practice mindful eating to avoid overconsumption. Read food labels. Become a label-reading pro. Pay close attention to carbohydrate content, sugar content, and fiber content when making food choices. Balance your plate. Use a plate method to create balanced meals. Fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and a quarter with whole grains or starchy vegetables. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for overall health and can also help regulate blood sugar levels. Aim for 8 glasses of water daily. Essential food groups for the type 2 diabetes diet include 1. Non-starchy vegetables. These low-calorie vegetables are packed with nutrients and fiber, making them a staple on your diabetic plate. Examples include broccoli, spinach, kale, carrots, cucumbers, tomatoes, and bell peppers. 2. Fruits. Fruits provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Choose fruits lower in sugar content such as berries, apples, pears, and grapefruit. 3. Whole grains. Whole grains are a good source of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and essential nutrients. Choose whole wheat bread, brown rice, quinoa, oats, and barley over refined grains. 4. Lean protein. Lean protein sources help with satiety and blood sugar control. Choose lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, legumes, beans, lentils, and tofu. 5. Healthy fats. Healthy fats provide essential nutrients and promote satiety. Include avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil in your diet in moderation. Foods to limit or avoid. Sugary drinks like sodas, juices, sports drinks, and sweetened coffee drinks are loaded with added sugars and can significantly impact blood sugar levels. Refined grains such as white bread, pasta, pastries, and white rice are high in carbohydrates and can cause blood sugar spikes. Processed foods, including convenience foods, are often high in unhealthy fats, sodium, added sugars, and refined carbohydrates. You should limit processed meats, frozen meals, and packaged snacks. Saturated in trans fats, these unhealthy fats can contribute to heart disease and other health problems. Limit fried foods, fatty cuts of meat, and processed snack foods. High-sugar fruits. While fruits are beneficial, some are higher in sugar content. Limit fruits like mangoes, grapes, pineapples, and bananas in excess. Remember, moderation is key. Meal planning and portion control for success. Planning your meals and snacks in advance is essential for managing type 2 diabetes. Here are some tips to get you started. Plan your meals and snacks for the week. This helps you stay organized, avoid unhealthy choices, and ensure you're incorporating all the necessary food groups. Make a grocery list. Having a list helps you stick to your plan and avoid impulse purchases at the store. Learn about portion sizes. Use measuring cups, spoons, or your own hand to gauge proper portion sizes. Prepare meals in advance. Prepping some meals or snacks ahead of time can help you stay on track during busy days. Read food labels carefully. Pay attention to serving sizes and carbohydrate content to control your portions. Enjoy healthy snacks. Snacking throughout the day can help regulate blood sugar and prevent overeating at mealtimes. Choose healthy snack options like fruits with nuts, yogurt with berries, or vegetables with hummus. Eat mindfully. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues. Eat slowly and savor your food to avoid overeating. Sample meal plans for the type 2 diabetes diet. Here are some sample daily meal plans to inspire you. Sample Day 1. Breakfast. Oatmeal with berries and walnuts, unsweetened almond milk. Lunch. Grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, balsamic vinaigrette, whole wheat crackers. Snack apple slices with almond butter. Dinner. Salmon with roasted vegetables and quinoa. Sample Day 2. Breakfast. Scrambled eggs with spinach and whole wheat toast. Lunch. Lentil soup with a side salad and whole wheat bread. Snack Greek yogurt with a sprinkle of granola and berries. Dinner. Turkey chili with whole wheat cornbread. Sample Day 3. Breakfast. Whole wheat pancakes with ricotta cheese and fruit topping. Lunch. Black bean burgers on whole wheat buns with sweet potato fries. Snack handful of mixed nuts and dried fruit. Dinner. Chicken stir fry with brown rice and vegetables. These are just examples, and you can adjust them based on your preferences and dietary needs. Additional tips for managing type 2 diabetes with diet. Consult a registered dietitian. A registered dietitian can create a personalized meal plan tailored to your specific needs, preferences, and cultural background. Work with your diabetes care team. Your doctor, diabetes educator, and other healthcare professionals can provide guidance and support on managing your diabetes with diet. Educate yourself. There are many resources available to learn more about the type 2 diabetes diet. Books, websites, and online communities can provide valuable information. Find healthy cooking inspiration. Explore cookbooks and websites dedicated to healthy recipes for people with diabetes. Experiment with new ingredients and flavors to keep your meals exciting. Stay positive and motivated. Managing type 2 diabetes is a lifelong journey. Stay positive, celebrate your successes, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. Remember, a healthy diet is just one piece of the puzzle for managing type 2 diabetes. Regular physical activity, medication adherence, and stress management also play a crucial role. By following these guidelines and working with your healthcare team, you can create a sustainable and effective eating plan that helps you manage your type 2 diabetes, feel your best, and live a long and healthy life.